Hey there! In this video, I'll guide you through fixing the Safari could not install a profile due to an unknown error 2024 issue on your iPhone or iPad. Let's dive and check for iOS updates first. Ensure your device is up to date by going to Settings General Software Update. If an update is available, install it. Disable content and privacy restrictions if the problem persists. Navigate to Settings Screen Time Content Privacy Restrictions and disable it. Clear Safari browser data. Open Safari. Tap on Safari. From the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Clear History and Website Data. Confirm the action by tapping Clear History and Data. Remove website data in Safari Settings. Tap on Advanced Website Data, then remove all website data by tapping Remove All Website Data by tapping Remove All Website Data. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue with Safari profiles on your iPhone or iPad. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the bell icon for more helpful content. Thank you for watching.